channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, but today we are doing nails because I also do like press on nails, fake nails, DIY nail stuff video. That's what this is. So we're doing a haul, and I am going to share with you some of the press on nails that I have gotten recently. So if that's what you're looking for, you can stay here. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and do me a thumbs up. If you have subscribed, subscribe. And if you have and you're one of my little doll babies, hi Dobby. How are ya? Thank you for coming back. Okay, let's just get to it. I've had a lot of coffee. You can't tell. Anywho, let's start with ones that are in a different Kiss line, and they're partially gone, and I'll tell you why. So this is a line that you'll see, which is the Kiss Mommy and Me line. It's a one-step mani for 2. Okay, they retail for $9.99, which is nice because it's like 2 sets of nails. The other ones are short. Okay, they are petite. These ones here are called the In Crowd, and I'll take this part out. I got these from Walmart. And so this is what they look like, and the ones for the little girl are similar to this. The reason I get these is my friend at work also wears Kiss press-on nails, but her nail beds and her nails in general in her hands are much smaller than mine. So we get these and then we split them, which is so fun because I have the larger nail bed, so I can wear these ones, and then she can wear the ones that are made, you know, for a smaller finger, and it just works out great. So we ended up getting 2. So this was one of them that we got, called the In Crowd, and I really love these. It has the white nail, the pink nail, and then the mermaid nail, so that is very cute. So if you have a friend who, you know, you have 2 different size nail beds, so that you need 2 different size nails, these Mommy and Me are great because they essentially end up being like $4.99 a piece. So I got these. These ones were on clearance. I guess they actually retail for $9.97. These ones were on clearance. I already gave her set. This one is #fierce, and it's really, really cute because it has sort of this hot pink nail, a lavender nail, and then these ones that are like ornate and say love and stuff like that on them. So I got those. So they ended up being, what, $2.50 each? So, you know, check out this line, especially if you can split it with someone else, or if you have a daughter that wants to do it too. This is a great line, and it's a good value. So I got one of the press-on toenails. These have been so hard to find. I can't remember if I feel like I have had this one before, but I'm not sure. I don't think I have. And this one is the hot pink toes and the glittery toenail. I do have press-on toenails right now. I've been wearing them quite a bit and really enjoying them, so I did scoop up those. I got one that is carried at Dollar General. So some of the either older styles or the styles that aren't as elaborate, they do carry at Dollar General. They usually run between $3 and $5. And so I got this one, and this is called Love It, and it's in this like gray and silver with a tiny bit of rhinestone accent. So I really, really like these. Next up, I got the ones called Flash Mob. I have been wearing Kiss, called Impress, but it's Kiss, and it was Kiss originally. It's still a Kiss brand, but this is Impress. And I have been wearing these for a very long time, like years and years and years. They used to actually come in a package where it was like a fake nail polish bottle. If you remember that, go ahead and put that down below. But I have noticed, because I've been wearing them for so long, I've been wearing them, I don't know, 9-10 years, that they do recycle names. So that's just something to keep in mind, because Flash Mob I know for sure has been a nail before. This is a hunter green, a nail with a gold sparkly accent, so I got these. These ones are called Play Along. These are so pretty. It's a royal blue nail, and then there's an accent of a white nail, a pink nail with the rhinestone, and then a pink nail with the royal blue sort of palm leaf situation. So I scooped up those. Also scooped up, these 2 are similar. They're both the Almond-Shaped. They're just slightly different. You can see these ones are a little bit darker, but it's like that ombre situation. So these ones are called It's Blinding. These are the lighter of the 2. It's got the whiter tips. It's the almond shape, and there's a little bit of a rhinestone accent on a few of the nails. I like getting them, you know, these where they're the same shape and similar colors, because then you can mix and match after you use each of them. Then you can put them together and then have a different set. So I do like to do that. If you want a video on how I like mix and match and what I do with my extras and all that, put that down below and I will make that video for you. This one is called Symphony, and this is just a little bit of, it's sort of reversed. So the bottom part is the lighter color, the top part is the pink, and it has the sparkly accent nails. And last but not least, ooh, that was quick. Last but not least is Next Wave. I'm positive this has been a name before. And this is, it's weird. It's not like an oval shape. It's sort of like a square, but slightly rounded off. It's an interesting shape. I'm curious to see how this looks. It's got the very, very sparkly silver accent nail, and it's sort of this ombre where the main nail is a darker gray, a lighter gray with the rhinestones, and then the sparkly. So I scooped up that as well. And that's what I have for pressing nails. If you scooped up any of these or any other ones you'd like to share, go ahead and put that down below. If you want any additional videos on press on nails, just put that down below and tell me what kind of topics that you would like. And if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.